Hello, welcome to our 9th lesson. Until now we learned some base commands, so now we can slowly start to model harder examples. In this lesson, we will model the model shown in the visual. We can complete it in 3 steps. First, we will create the base. I start by sketching on the top plane. Drawing a rectangle centered on the origin. And then dimensioning it. To give this sketch volume, I use the extruded base command and set the height to 20. In the second stage, we will model the back part. I create a sketch on the back surface of the base model, draw a rectangle, and dimension it according to the example. I draw a circle, dimensioning its position and diameter based on the model. Then, I use the extruded base command to give this sketch volume as well. In the third and final stage, we will create the triangle on the left side. To do this, I sketch on the left plane, draw a triangle using the line command. And dimension it according to the example. Finally, I use the extruded base command to give it volume. As you can see, our model is ready.